we'll guide you through how to learn ChatGPT 2025. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the OpenAI website. Once you're there, look for the ChatGPT section, which will provide you with all the necessary resources to get started. You need to create an account if you haven't already, so click on the Sign Up button and fill in your details. After logging in, navigate to the ChatGPT dashboard. Here, you'll find an updated user interface for 2025, making it more intuitive than ever. To start learning, check out the new interactive tutorials available on the platform. These tutorials will guide you through the basics and advanced features of ChatGPT, including how to create prompts and understand the model's responses. Make sure to explore the community forums as well, where you can discuss and share tips with other users. You can also access the documentation section, which provides detailed explanations and examples of ChatGPT's capabilities. For a more hands-on approach, try using the ChatGPT Playground, where you can experiment with different prompts and see how the model responds in real time. This is a great way to get a feel for the system's nuances and improve your skills. Remember, practice is key when learning any new technology, so don't hesitate to spend some time exploring all the features. Lastly, make sure to customize your settings to enhance your learning experience. You can adjust the conversation style and tone to suit your preferences, making your interactions with ChatGPT more personalized. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.